Going on, guys? Welcome. Rabid here. Quick video, but in about 3 hours time, KylaCoin is forking to a new algorithm that will remove all the FPGAs on the network, as well as move to Flex, which is a CPU mining only algorithm. So interesting things are coming in about 3 hours. Let's take a look at the actual timeline based at the time of recording. So this is set to happen at block height 1,133,000. And if we go into the Explorer, we're currently sitting at 1,132,862. So I'm just going to subtract that from what we need here. 32,862. So about 138 blocks to go at the time of recording. The average block time is about 56.3 seconds, so just shy of a minute. If we round that to a minute, obviously that's about 138 minutes. So we actually have about 2 hours based on that. So in 2 hours now, we're going to see CPUs take over KylaCoin and remove the FPGA farm. Now, why would something like this matter? So as we know, over the past, I don't even know now, month, 2 months, 3 months, sometime since the end of April 25th or something like that, one FPGA farm took over 3 entire networks. That is KylaCoin, Alephium, and Radiant. And Radiant and Alephium is still being hammered by it. KylaCoin decided to do something about it because the majority of the coins and hash rate is all in one wallet, and that has been selling every single day. Nobody's hodling, things like that. It doesn't mean you have to hodl as a miner, but I'm just saying most people don't just straight up sell. Some do, yes, but this guy has been straight up selling everything he mines, and it's been destroying the price of the coin. Now, as of the latest news, it does look like the price is actually slowly starting to come back up, but we still have this farm on it, and he's going to be selling until he is removed. So that's the major thing here, is they're trying to establish obviously more security, because you never want one entity taking over a network and having all the hash, because who knows if they decide to attack or not. And two, at putting this into CPUs, instead of having one wallet take over 80 to 90% of the hash rate as well as rewards, it's now going to split up to CPUs, which there's a lot of them out there, and it'll allow more miners to actually participate on the network, and then everyone will have, you know, more profitability depending on the price, and these coins will spread out between more wallets. All right, guys, so just for some tips and hints, just in case you plan on mining this, number one is obviously make sure you get the absolute latest wallet, which currently is 3.2.0. You're going to need this wallet in order to see your funds and stuff and move off a testnet and all that other good stuff. So moving forward, also the miner. So check out miningpoolstats.stream-calendar to actually get the actual activation timing, which is kind of what we're looking at over here. As for the miner here, the official miner has been working smoothly. Check it out here. It's called FlexLab CPU Miner. I think there's a couple other people working on it, but I'm not 100% sure at this point. Also, XMRig MO, not the official XMRig, but the Monero Ocean version, did have a HiveOS update 2 days ago, adding the Flex algorithm, which is what this new algorithm is called. So it does look Monero Ocean will be adding a pool for this, which is a profit switching CPU pool, and then it pays you out in XMR only. So if you want XMR and you want to do some profit switching or something, obviously Monero Ocean is one of the best places to do it. More miners on the way by other developers. Stay tuned. Remember, coins mined on the testnet. If you guys are currently testing hash rates and stuff on the testnet, they have no real value. You're on the testnet, you're testing hash rates and miners and making sure things are working. You're not actually going to be able to sell those anywhere. Once it moves to mainnet, everything will go live, and the real KylaCoins will be real that you're mining on that point, and everything else. You will not lose any KylaCoins if you have any already, and just moving forward like that. So that's kind of what's going on with all of this. And if you're using the core wallet, be careful not to run any files you download online on the same machine as your wallet is, to avoid risk. So just like anything else, you know, try not to just randomly download wallets and throw them all on one machine, because you don't want something to hack something. So that's pretty much it. We have about 2 hours now, not really 3 that this says, before that KylaCoin fork happens. Removing the FPGAs, moving to the Flex Algo, which is kind of like a GR thing. So this is kind of like Ghost Rider. Doesn't have 20 different rotations in it. They cut down quite a bit, so I don't know which ones they actually pulled or anything, but it is supposed to be a CPU mineable coin. I think they removed the ones that were good on GPUs because they did know that GPUs are here and they're trying to stay straight CPU only. So we'll see what happens moving forward, but right now, moving to a new algorithm, getting rid of FPGAs, and CPUs are the only way to mine. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Rabid out.